This is shrimp. Yummy, yummy shrimp. And this is salad. Yummy, yummy shrimp. Wow, Nana, what is this? Can I eat already? Nana.
Yeah, you can eat.
This one?
Yeah. With gata, guys. Yeah. And later, lagyan ko yan ng parmesan cheese. Ayan, nilagay natin yung kalabasa, no? Tapos, maya-maya, soup lang natin na 5 minutes. Then, lagyan natin ng cheese. Maraming cheese. Yes. And then, serve na yan.